never mind. Hold on. We sold the what? What we sold, Jacob? We sold the Lexus, all right? We sold Lexus. Lexus is gone. It's a goner. So I went to a nice new owner, man. They're gonna take real good care of it, hopefully. But we've been looking around for trucks now. He's needing a truck. We're about to come check this one out over here in Shepherd, Texas. It's supposed to be a nice truck, man. Y'all stay tuned. We're about to go check it out right now and see what it's like. But it's like an hour drive, so we're on our way now. It just sucks because it's starting to get dark now, and we really wanted to check it out during the day. So let's see what this truck's about. Dang, there it is, a new whip. Turn on. See what it sounds like. Shoo. Gotta change those wheels ASAP though. ASAP. Need a custom tune. Justin White, here we come. Just like that, let it go. Boy's not used to driving a truck. Got the cats on, we're taking them off. Doing quite some little stuff to it, so it sounds good, nice and healthy. Nardo Gray. You happy with it? Yeah, boy got that 6.0. Sounds good. We need to take those cats off. All right, guys, man. We'll keep y'all posted on everything we do to this truck. So. That boy's gonna get in trouble with that truck. Pulling up, man. The first thing we're doing to this truck is a much needed alarm. So bringing it over, dropping it off over here at Modified Customs. Y'all make sure y'all check them out. These boys been hooking me up every single time. Actually, as a matter of fact, I got my Fiesta getting a clutch installed right now, so it's somewhere back there. So not the clutch, the actual slave cylinder took a crap on me, but anyways, man, we're here dropping this thing off and getting this alarm installed. Let's see what's up. Was it hold the
key button right here?
Yeah.
So it beeps and you let go.
Okay. Cool. Come on, shit. Appreciate you, man.
Where'd you get this?
Huh? We just picked it up on Sunday.
Oh, okay.
There's my boy. He sold his Lexus. He needed a truck for work.
GS?
The GS 300. So, and then we found this one, man, over there in Shepherd, Texas.
Yeah.
So we went over there, picked it up.
Cam and everything?
Cam 6.0, cam, 4-day heads. It's just real conservative tune that it's got on there.
How much?
These things are fucking expensive. These single cabs, man, and all the ones I seen were over 10 grand. And the shitty ones.
You already have the AC grill.
Yeah.
Hood.
Yeah. The fucking shitty ones, V6, fucking 6 grand, 7 grand. These motherfuckers just overdoing it, bro.
I'm building my son one right now.
Alright, guys, we're in this bad boy right now. Back girl. So, key on. Bam. Good to go. Brake is on. That's what's up. This thing's ready to fucking go. Make sure y'all come check out Modified Custom Collision in case y'all need anything for this. For y'all's vehicles. They got the Fiesta ready too. I'm about to come pick it up right now. In the meantime, let's head out. Ooh-wee. Fun ass truck right here. Turning radius sucks, especially once you drop them. My boy gonna get mad at me. This thing is nasty. It's fun. And this is on a conservative tune, so they got the Escalade dashboard. What is it, cluster? Yeah, this thing is fun. We're gonna have to change out that radio ASAP. Yeah, we're rolling. We rolling. Ooh, boy, gonna be happy as hell. We're gonna have to drop it as well from the back this week, and they added a leaf spring, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off. See if it drops a bit more up until we do the flip kit in the back and get the springs for the front, just to do a 5/8 drop on it. 5/7, 5/8 drop, we'll see. And we're gonna have to change out the wheels as well, and we'll see what's up, man. But yeah, there she goes. She's running now, running and protected. So go ahead and get home, and once he gets back, he's gonna do another party. Thing's fun. It's not even that loud either, so it's nice and quiet in here. It's still catted, so it's nice. Alright guys, so let's make it home, and I gotta come back, pick up the Fiesta, go pick up my girl. So we'll see once my boy gets in, see how he likes it.